Please allow me to welcome you to my channel. My YouTube channel! I post some videos of my wife, my life, my dogs, my cars, my motorcycle, and other projects. I enjoy getting engines to run, and as a young homeowner, you can watch me fix things. Even if it's not the right way, I still fix things. I'm a mechanic by trade, and I used to wrestle on the weekend. Yes, that kind of wrestling. And no, you probably never heard of me. I like to fix things on a budget, so without further ado, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share.
And here's one that I think you'll like. The Camaro, the Z28 LT1 car, famous for the OptiSpark issues. I like to call this car the COVID Camaro, because when we got it, it was in primer, painted it red. It was during COVID. We were getting paid to stay home. It was a tough time for America and the rest of the world. A Z28 Camaro, red, resale red as a matter of fact.